This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix overexposed videos on iPhone. So follow these simple steps to fix your overexposed videos. To fix it, first of all, you have to turn off our settings. To do that, go to your settings, scroll down and tap on camera, tap on record video, and here turn off HDR video. And now let's see how to fix overexposed video. Go to your app store, search for iMovie. All you have to do is just install this iMovie app on your iPhone and it's free. Once it's installed, open it, tap on movie and select the overexposed video. Tap on create movie. Now tap on done. Tap on this share option at the bottom. Tap on these options. Here turn off HDR. Tap on done. Tap on save video and the video will be saved in your Photos app. And that's how we can fix overexposed videos on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.